Hello students, let's continue with the problem for it is logarithm. So here is my next sum on it is logarithm. So the question is find the value of it is 1.05 raised to 10 minus 1 divided by it is 0.05 into it is 468. Yeah, this is the problem and you have to find out the value of this. So again, as it is, you have to apply the log, but before applying the log or before starting the solution, so I want to make you one point clear that I told while explaining about the logarithm is meant only for what it is multiplication, for division, to remove the power and to remove the root. Logarithm is not used for addition or subtraction, right? So whenever there is plus minus in between, we cannot apply the log directly here. So if you want to apply the log, if you want to find out the value of this by using the logarithm, then first you have to cancel this negative sign. Directly you cannot apply the log. So for that, what you have to do to cancel this negative sign, first of all you must know the value of 1.05 raised to 10. So first, by using this one, you have to find out the value of 1.05 raised to 10 by using the logarithm separately, and whatever value comes, the same value you have to put into the original problem and you have to cancel this negative sign, and then again you have to solve it by using the logarithm. So always you remember, logarithm is not used for adding the numbers or for deducting the numbers. So whenever you find plus minus in between, so first you have to cancel that, right? So let's first calculate the value of 1.05 raised to 10 by using the logarithm separately. So I will calculate the value of it is 1.05 raised to 10 separately by using the logarithm. Here you cannot apply the or use the calculator, because you have to solve this by using the logarithm. So you have to find out the value of this by using logarithm only. So this is the third rule, or not, if it is m raised to n. So at the beginning we have seen, so like that you have to get the value of this first. So here you say by applying log, and you apply the log. So when you apply the log, shift this power to this side, it becomes multiplication, that is 10 into, you have to find out the log of it is 1.05, and now you apply the log. So keep this 10 as it is into, so first you find out the log of 1.05. Characteristics of this number will be it is 0, place a decimal point and go for log. In the log you have to see 10 fifth column in different 0th column. So 10 fifth column in different 0th column, it comes to 0 to 1 2, 0 to 1 2. So this is the log of this, and what your log has come to that, you have to multiply by what it is 10. So multiply this by this 10. So it is log of 10 into 2, it is 20, it is carry 2, 10 into 1, 10 plus 1, it is 12, it is carry 1, 10 into 20 plus 1, it is 21, it is carry 2, 10 into 0, 0 plus 2, it is 2, and 10 into 0, it is 0. So it comes to log of 0.2120, and whatever after multiplying, whatever value you have got or whatever log you have got of this one, you have to see the anti-log. Now see the anti-log of this log. So you have to write anti-log of it is 0.2120, and now go for anti-log. Now refer this fractional part and find out the value from the anti-logarithm. So in the anti-log you have to see 0.21 second column in different 0th column. So 0.21 second column, you will get it is 1629, and in different 0th column is not there. So it comes to 1629. And now where to place the decimal point? For that you have to see the characteristics, it is 0, right? So 0 is always considered as positive, and as it is positive you have to add 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1, so count 1 digit and then you place the decimal point. Means if you multiply 1.05 10 times in the calculator also, you will get the value as 1.629. So this is the value of this, right? Now what you have to do, the same value we have to substitute it here, right? I know the value of this now, it is 1.629, which from 1.629 easily I can minus 1. But directly if you go to minus 1 from 1.05 raised to 10, we cannot, right? So to simplify this, first of all you must know the value of this. So that is known now, it is 1.629, right? Now you place this value in place of this, and minus 1 from this, so that minus sign get cancelled, and then you can apply the log again. Means again you can solve that sum by applying the log. So this is how you have to work out this problem. So now let's substitute this value right here in this value. So I hope this is clear to you all. So now let's substitute that value here. In place of 1.05 raised to 10, you have to put how much it is? 1.629 minus it is 1 divided by it is 0.05, and this is multiplied by it is 468, right? Now we can minus, so minus this value 1.629 minus 1, so it comes to 0.629 divided by 0.05 and is multiplied by 468. Now we can solve this by using the logarithm, because here we find only division as well as multiplication. So we can solve multiplication and division by using the logarithm, right? So as it is, you say by applying log and apply the log. So by applying log and apply the log. So first you have to find out the log of it is 0.629, right? Division is there, you have to minus log of it is 0.05, right? And as there is a multiplication, log we have to add, so plus it is log of it is 468. If there is a division, minus it. If there is a multiplication, add it. Now find out the loss. So first you find the log of 0.629. Characteristics of this number will be this bar 1. You place the decimal point and go for log. In the log you see 60 to 9 column. So 60 to 9 column you get 7987, and mean difference 0th column is not there, so it comes to 7987. 7987 minus, now you find out the log of 0.05. So again characteristics of this number will be this bar 2. Place the decimal point, go for log. In the log you have to see 50 0th column, mean difference 0th column, because we cannot see 5 single digit in the first column. So always you have to see 50 0th column, mean difference 0th column. So 50 0th column, mean difference 0th column, it comes to 6990. 6990 plus, now you have to find out the log of 468. So characteristics of this number will be these 2. Place the decimal point, go for log. In the log you have to see 46 8th column. So 46 8th column you will get the 6702, and mean difference 0th column is not there, so it comes to 6702. Clear? Now these two logs you add, and from that you have to, from this log you minus this log first, so it is log minus. So from this log we have to minus this log. So 7 minus 0 it is 7. 8 minus 9 we cannot minus, from 18 you minus it is 9, so you get 9, it is carry 1. 9 minus it is 10 we cannot minus, so from 19 you minus it is 10, it comes to 9, it is carry 1. 7 minus 7 it is 0, and from bar 1 you minus bar 2, so that calculation you work out separately. So from bar 1 you have to minus how much it is? Bar 2. So bar 1 is written as minus 1, and minus this bar 2 is written as it is minus 2. So here outside the bracket we say you find plus, plus into minus is minus 1, plus minus into minus is plus 2, minus 1 plus 2, result is plus 1. So here it comes to, it is 1.0997. Clear? Plus, now from this log we have deducted this log, now this log we have to add, plus it is what? Log of 2.6702, or log of, now from in this log you add this log, so it is 7 plus it is 2, you will get 9, 9 plus it is 0 is 9, 9 plus it is 7 it is 16, it is carry 1, 0 plus it is 7 it is 7, 1 plus it is 2, you will get it is 3. So after adding this log we have got 3.7699, and now I want the answer, so you have to go for anti-log, so go for anti-log. So it is anti-log of it is 3.7699. And now refer this fraction part and find out the value from the anti-logarithm. So in the anti-log you see 0.769 column. So 0.769 column is 5875 and mean difference ninth column is 12. So add it, will get 5887. 5887. And now you have to place the decimal point. And for that you see the characteristics, it is plus 3, and as it is positive you add 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Count 4 digits and then you place the decimal point. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Decimal point will come here. So it comes to 5887. So this is how you have to find out the value. So this point you have to remember whenever there is a negative sign or positive sign in between the values. So directly we cannot apply the log, right? So first you have to solve that plus minus, and then you have to get that sign cancelled, and then you have to apply the log. So I hope it is clear to you all. Or we'll take another example on this. Is find the value of it is 1.026 raised to 1/4 minus 1 divided by this 0.026. Yeah. So you have to find out the value of this again, and to find out the value you have to apply the log. And if you go to apply the log, we cannot apply the log directly here, because in between these two values which sign is there here? Minus. And as there is a negative sign in between, I cannot apply the log directly. So first you have to cancel that negative sign. And if you want to cancel this negative sign, first of all you must know the value of it is 1.026 raised to 1/4. So first we have to find out the value of 1.026 raised to 1/4 separately, and whatever value comes, the same we have to place in this, and then from that you minus 1. So like this minus sign get cancelled, and then again you have to solve it by using the logarithm. So let's first calculate the value of 1.026 raised to 1/4 separately. So it is 1.026 raised to 1/4. This value you find out separately by using the logarithm only. So again you have to apply your third rule. So say by applying log and apply the log, shift this value to this side. Again this becomes, it is multiplication, it is 1/4 into, you have to find out the log of it is 1.026, or it is keep this 1/4 as it is into. First find out log of 1.026. Characteristics of this number will be 0. Place a decimal point and go for log. In the log you have to see 10 second column, mean difference third 6 column. So 10 second column you will get it is 0086, and mean difference sixth column is 25. So if we add it, we will get 0086 plus it is 25. If we add, you will get it is 0111. Yeah. Now to this you divide by 4. So 4 ones are, it is 0, 0, right? 1 is not divisible by 4. So again you have to take it is 0. Take next digit, it is 11. So 4 2s are, it is 8. Balance it is 3. Then take next digit 1, 31. So 4 7s are, it is 28. Balance is 3. Take 0. So again 4 7s are, it is 28, and 4 it is 5s are. So correct up to first 4 decimals. So take approximately, it is log of 0.00228, right? First 4 digits. Fifth digit is 7, increase 4 digits by 1. So instead of taking 7, you take it is 8. Now what log we have got of this one? You see the anti-log. So you get the answer. So go for anti-log. So here you have write anti-log of 0.0028. Now you go for anti-log. In the anti-log, we refer this fractional part. So in the anti-log C 0.00 second column, you will get 1005,1005 and mean difference 8 column is 2. So add that, you will get 1007. And now we have to place the decimal point. For that you see the characteristics, it is 0. 0 is always considered as positive, and as it is positive we have to add 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So count one digit and then you place the decimal point. So it is 1.026 raised to 1/4 value comes to it is 1.007. Now this value we have to place over here, right? And from that value we can easily minus 1, because directly if you go to minus 1 from this value we cannot minus, because until and unless you simplify this we cannot minus 1. This is the reason as to why first we have to get the value of this separately, and whatever value comes from that you have to minus 1. So now we can minus very easily. So let's substitute this value it is 007 in place of 1.026 raised to 1/4. So let's put this value here. It is in place of 1.026 raised to 1/4 we have to write it is 1.007, right? It comes to 1.007 minus it is 1 and divided by it is 0.026. Now from 1.007 we can easily minus it is 1, so minus. So if you minus this, so it comes to be 0.007 divided by it comes to 0.026. And now this division we can solve by using the logarithm. So as it is, you apply the log. Say by applying log, and now you apply the log. So you have to find out the log of 0.007 minus division is there, so you have to minus log of it is 0.026. Now by using the log, find out the logs first. So it is log of 0.007. Characteristics of this number will be is bar 3. Place the decimal point and go for log. In the log you have to see 70 zeroth column, mean difference zeroth column. So it comes to 8451 minus it is log of this. So characteristics of this number will be is bar 2. Place the decimal point, go for log. In the log you have to see 26 zeroth column, mean difference zeroth column. So it comes to 4150. And now from this log you minus this log. So it is log of 1 minus 0 is 1, 5 minus 5 is 0, 4 minus 1 it is 3, 8 minus 4 is 4. Place the decimal point. From bar 3 we have to minus bar 2. So bar 3 minus it is what? It is bar 2. Bar 3 is written as minus 3 minus bar 2 is written as minus 2. So it is plus minus remains minus 3, minus into minus it is plus 2. So minus 3 plus 2 it comes to minus 1, and minus 1 is written as what? It is bar 1. So in here you have write bar 1. Now after deducting we have got bar 1.4301. Now on the answer you have to go for anti-log. So go for anti-log. So here you write there is anti-log of it is bar 1 point it is 4301. Now refer this fractional part and find out the value from the anti-logarithm. So in the anti-log you see 0.43, right? 0.43 zeroth column, it comes to 2692, and mean difference first column is 1. So add it, you'll get 2693. And now you have to place the decimal point, and for that you have to refer the characteristics. It is bar 1, it is negative, and as it is negative, while seeing the anti-log we have to minus 1. So bar 1 indicates 1 0. From 1 0 if you minus 1 0 remains no zeros, means there should not be any zeros after the decimal point, right? And I told whenever the characteristics is negative you have to place the decimal point before the digits, right? So simply here you have to put the decimal point. So it comes to 0.2693. Clear? Like this. for or like sums also they will ask in the problem, in the exam. They will, without using the logarithm, they will ask you to calculate the log of certain value. So how to calculate the log of a particular value without using the log table? Then you should not use the log table. So the question is, if log 81, if log 81 is equal to, it is 9085. Question is, find log 9 without using log table. Yeah, like this question they have asked so many times in the exam. For how many marks? For 2 marks. Means without using log table. Without using log table, you have to find out the log. So how to calculate the log of a particular value from the given log? So we know they have given the log of what it is, 81. We know log of 81 is 1.9085, and they are asking you to calculate the log of which number? 9 it is. So how to calculate the log of 9 without using the log table? So now I want to find out the log of it is 9. So first you have to write 9. First you have to write 9, as we have studied already in indices. We used to write the given value in another form. Means I want 9. So how I can write it is 9. So or means after simplifying that value you have to get 9. So I can write as 9 square. I can write is equal to 81 or not. If you make the square of it is 9, we get what it is 81 now, right? So this, if you go to solve by using this value, we can solve it by using the logarithm here. 9 square, if you make 9 square, we get it is 81. So out of this, I know the log of it is 81. 81 log is given or not? So if you know the log of 81, so we can easily find out the log of it is 9. So like this, you must be able to express the value correctly. So now you say by applying log, and you apply the log. So when you apply the log, 2 you shift to this side, it becomes multiplication, that is 2 into, you have to find out the log of it is 9 is equal to, you have to find out the log of what it is 81, or it is 2 into log of 9 I want. So you keep this as it is, log of it is 9, because we cannot calculate, because we should not use the log table here, is equal to, but we know the log of what it is 81. Log of 81 is already given in the problem. It is how much? It is log of it is 1.9085, right? So what I want here, I want log of 9. So what I will do, I will shift this. I cannot multiply 2 to this, because until and unless you know the log of 9, we cannot multiply by 2. So this multiplication is not possible, but these 2 I can transfer equal to that side. If you transfer, this multiplication becomes here division. So transfer this to this side. So it is, bring this log of 9 outside. Log of 9 is equal to what? It is log of, it is a 1.9085 is divided by what? It is 2. So divide this. So it is log of it is 9 is equal to 2 ones are, it is 0, right? 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are, it is 10, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 5s are. So it comes to, it is log of, it is 0.9543. Means log of 9 is how much it is? Log of 0.9543. So this is your answer. So this is how you have to find out the log of the given or given number, right? I want to find out the log of 9. So without using the log table, you have to find. So like some they are asking in the exam for how many marks? 2 marks. or I'll take one more example on this. If log 16 equals to, it is 2.2040, find log 2 without using log table. So without using log table, we have to find out the value of, or we have to find out the log of 2. Now 2 we have to write. How we have to write? They have given us the log of what it is 16. We know the log of 16, and from this one we have to find out the log of what it is 2. So how you can write it is 2 means we have to get 16, right? So 16 is nothing but it is 2 raised to 4. Means 2 if you multiply 4 times we get 16 now, right? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, so we get 16. So whatever we have written, this is correct. Now solve this by using the logarithm. Out of these two, log of 2 is not known, but log of 16 is given in the problem. So by making use of this log of 16, we can easily find out the log of it is 2. So as it is, you say by applying log and you apply the log. So shift this power to this side, it becomes multiplication, that is 4 into, you have to find out the log of it is 2 equals to, you have to find out the log of it is what, 16, or keep this 4 as it is into log of 2 we cannot calculate because we have to find log of 2 is equal to log of 16 is already given in the problem. It is how much? It is log of, it is 2.2040. This is given. Again same, until and unless you know the log of 2 we cannot multiply this by this 4, but 4 I can transfer equal to this side. So if you transfer this, multiplication becomes division. So transfer 4 equal to that side. So it is log of 2 is equal to, it is log of, it is 2.2040 is divided by what? It is 4, or it is log of it is 2 is equal to, now 2.2040 divided by 4. So 2 is not divisible by 4, it takes 0. Take next digit, it is 222. 4 5 z is 20. Balance is 2. Take next 0, 20. Again 4 5 z is 20. 4 1s are 4. So after dividing, it comes to log of 0.5510. So log of 0.5510 is the log of 2. So this is how you have to find out the log without using the log table. Like sums also they are asking in the exam in section A for how many marks? 2 marks. Clear? So I hope it is clear to you all. The topic it is logarithm. So here I am concluding this topic. Here this topic logarithm is over. So like this, your first module, right, is completed. That is indices and logarithm, right? So in the next class we will begin with the second module, right, that is ratio and proportion. Thank you.